Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to modify your BMW M5 in car parking multiplayer. First, navigate to the garage menu after selecting your M5. Here, you will find various categories for customization, including engine, suspension, and visual upgrades. We will cover how to make your M5 faster, handle better, and look unique, ensuring you get the most out of your virtual driving experience. Let's dive into the details of each modification type. To boost your M5's performance, focus on engine and transmission tuning. Start by upgrading the engine components to their highest level, aiming for over 1,000 horsepower. Next, fine-tune your transmission's gear ratios. Shorter gears provide rapid acceleration, while longer gears increase top speed. Don't forget to install a powerful turbocharger or supercharger to achieve peak performance and dominate races. For superior handling, delve into the suspension settings. Adjust the spring stiffness and shock damping to find the perfect balance for your driving style, improving cornering and reducing body roll. Lowering the ride height by several centimeters will also enhance stability. Experiment with camber and toe angles to maximize tire contact with the road, ensuring excellent grip during high-speed maneuvers. Finally, make your M5 truly yours with extensive visual customizations. Explore various body kits, including aggressive bumpers and sleek side skirts, to transform its exterior. Select from hundreds of wheel designs and apply a custom paint job, perhaps a vibrant metallic or a matte finish. You can also design unique decals and liveries, allowing your BMW M5 to reflect your personal flair and stand out in any car meet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.